So hey, welcome back to our channel. As Robbie. Today we are going to show how you can do the laughing effect when a funny moment happen. I just I just edit an APR and funny guy laughing. So I will show you how I do that. So let's begin the. My link isn't working, so now first of all you need to go to Google and search up AC Market. There you go, and go to AC Market, and then you will find AC Market OG. If you are a iPhone user, you can go to the AC Market download for iPhone, or if you are an Android user, you can come here AC Market Net and you just simply download this. So I click download, and so you have to press OK and it will start download. I already have it, and just you need to like, you will say like if you want to download, install it or cancel it, just press install and open it. Okay, I'm opening it. It takes a little bit time. And when you come here, you just simply have to search up for Power Director. Okay, and here you go. You see it's Power Director. Just download it. Just press there. Just press this download button and just place the APK file. This APK file only via CDN. Just click it and press free download, and an ad will come. Just close the ad and go to this download thing. Go here and you will find your download what you downloaded. Okay, I will show you how to download it, and press download and ad will come up. Then boom, see it started to downloading, and you need to wait for it to be download. So I'm waiting. I won't cut the scene because you will say, oh, you cut the scene and you download from another one. So no, I will show you. It's downloading now. Download will complete. I already downloaded, and just press, it will come like install or cancel. Press install and then it will be installed, and you need to go to the wait first of all you need to search up for like the laughing effect name, like the Jameson's laugh green screen. This one, guys, this one, Jameson laugh green screen. Just click it and boom, just see a video. Just see and just copy it. Just first I will give this creator's link because I support him. Just copy the link. Go to Google and search up for search up for YouTube to MP3. This one. I will also give a link of this there, and this one is the main. Just click on it and just screenly press and press the paste button and press convert, and then press the download button. I have already downloaded because I know this. If you want MP4, you can also download. If you have very good if you want it very good quality and very like, if you don't have that space, okay, no problem. Then open your Power Director, and this application's name Power Director, and just get the video in. And if you want to just see this part, I want to just put a funny moment, just click this layer button, and go to the recording option, boom, and press download, and press this one, the Jameson Laugh, press it. And when you import your video, like now I import, so if when you import your video, just press the import button and import your video here. And when you import your video, see the funny guy laughing. So you can easily customize the size of you want. I can put right here and anywhere. If you, I always put here, and just press the pencil button. Here you will see, press this pencil button. First of all, just click what you import. Like in the layers open, I like put the Jameson laughing effect guy. So just press the pencil, press him, and press the pencil button, and come here, you will see chroma key. Just see that chroma key, press it, and it will take you here. And just press the pencil button, as you guys can see, and just press this pencil button, and it will say to drag it to somewhere what you need to remove. Just drag it to the green screen option and make the color range full and dimness 0, and see now. So if you like our video, make sure to subscribe our channel and ISOB. And this was asked by my sister Yusra, and you know how I do that now. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And yeah guys, you make sure to like and subscribe our channel ISOB to see more videos like this. And take care and be safe. So bye bye, noobres.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.